Hey guys, welcome to Design Travel Diary. This channel is all about travel, design, and everything in between. Whether it's exploring beautiful hotels, uncovering hidden gems, or just enjoying unique travel experiences, we're here to share it all with you. If you love discovering new places with a touch of design inspiration, you're in the right spot. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell to stay updated on all the latest adventures. In this video, we'll be reviewing the hotel we stayed at during our 5-day trip to Singapore. We chose this hotel mainly for its budget-friendly price and excellent location near public transport. So, is it the right pick for travelers like us? Let's dive in and find out. As you might already know, Singapore is one of the most expensive cities in the world, especially when it comes to accommodation. With our packed itinerary, we only needed a place to sleep at night and freshen up in the morning. Our main criteria for choosing the hotel were simple. First, it had to be affordable. 2, we didn't need many facilities but didn't want the room to be uncomfortably small either. 3, it needs to have a private bathroom. And last but most importantly, the hotel needed to be within walking distance of public transport to make it easier to get around the city. Since most of our activities were focused on the downtown area, we narrowed down our options to hotels that fit these requirements. After some research, we decided on Hotel 81 Rochor in the Little India district. Hotel 81 Rochor is situated on Jalan Besar, conveniently located near 2 MRT stations, Rochor and Jalan Besar. This makes it an ideal base for exploring Singapore, especially if you rely on public transport to get around. There are also 2 bus stops nearby, which adds to the convenience. As for the price, we booked this hotel for around 100 SGD per night, which translates to approximately $73. Keep in mind, this was during the New Year's peak season, so prices were higher than usual. If you're interested in booking this hotel, I'll soon add a link in the description below. Now, let's talk about how to reach the hotel. Getting to Hotel 81 Rochor from Changi Airport is straightforward. Start by taking the MRT from Changi Airport Station and transfer at Tanah Merah. From there, continue on the east-west line until you reach Bugis Station, where you'll switch to the downtown line. Rochor Station is just 1 stop away from there. In total, the MRT ride takes approximately 50 minutes. Once you arrive at Rochor MRT station, it's just a short 5-minute walk to the hotel. Here's the entrance and reception area. Let's take a look at the room. It's simple and straightforward, but it meets all the essentials we were looking for. Our room was located on the ground floor. The room is very compact, with just enough space for a double bed, a small floor area to open your luggage, and a table. It includes basic amenities like an electric kettle, along with water and cups for 2. And there's a TV mounted on the wall. There's no window in this room, so it might feel a bit claustrophobic for some. The bathroom is okay and clean, and also equipped with hot water. Now let's take a look at the surrounding. One of the biggest perks of staying at Hotel 81 Rochor is its location. It's surrounded by plenty of convenient amenities. There's a 7-Eleven just next door, perfect for grabbing quick snacks or essentials. For public transport, you're spoiled for choice with 2 MRT stations, Rochor and Jalan Besar, just a short walk away, as well as a bus stop nearby. For shopping and food, Sim Lim Square is right around the corner. You can even try the famous 3 meals a day salted egg dish there. Other shopping options include OG Albert, Tekka Place, and even Mustafa Center, which is a bit farther but still walkable. Lastly, you're right in the heart of Little India, a vibrant district full of cultural charm, delicious food, and unique activities. To wrap it up, here are the pros and cons of staying at Hotel 81 Rochor. Pros: super close to 2 MRT stations and a bus stop. Affordable pricing, considering a peak season stay. Surrounded by shopping, food options, and the vibrant Little India district. Clean and functional private bathroom. The downside is, the room size is a bit small, so it may not be suitable for those who need more space or plan to spend a lot of time indoors. No windows in our room, which might feel uncomfortable for some travelers. Overall, this hotel is perfect for budget travelers like us who spend the whole day outside exploring and only need a place to rest and freshen up. And that wraps up our review of Hotel 81 Rochor. What do you think of this hotel? Would you stay here, or do you have other budget-friendly recommendations for our next trip? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and adventures. And if you'd like to see the rest of our New Year trip to Singapore, be sure to check out the playlist below if you haven't already. See you in the next one.